In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the product activation failed error in Microsoft Office. When you see that red bar at the top of Word, Excel, or any other Office app saying product activation failed, it usually means Office can't confirm that your copy is properly licensed. That can happen for several reasons. Maybe you're not signed in, your subscription expired, the product key wasn't entered correctly, or there's a connection issue. Let's walk through the main things you should check, step by step, in a clear and simple way. Start by opening any Office app, like Word or Excel. On the top left, click on File. Then go down to Account, or sometimes it's called Office Account. This page is your main dashboard for activation. Here, look for any messages in red or yellow, like Product Activation Failed or Unlicensed Product. You'll also see what type of license you have, such as a subscription or a one-time purchase. Now, check whether you're signed in with the correct account. On the same account page, you should see a section that shows the email or profile you're using. Make sure this is the account that actually owns the Office subscription or license. If it's not, click Sign Out, then sign back in with the right account. After signing in, give it a few moments and see if the activation message disappears. If you have a product key, return to the account page and look for an option like Change Product Key or Activate Product. Click that and carefully enter your 25-character key. Double-check for common mistakes like confusing letters and numbers. Once you submit the key, Office will try to validate it online, so make sure you're connected to the internet while doing this. If the error still appears, confirm that your subscription is actually active. You can do this by going to your Microsoft account page in a browser and checking the status of your Office subscription. If it's expired, you'll need to renew it before activation will work again. Finally, if everything looks correct but the error won't go away, try closing all Office apps and restarting your computer. Sometimes a simple restart helps Office refresh its activation status. Then, open Word or Excel again and return to the account page to see if the message has cleared. Follow these checks carefully, and in most cases, you'll resolve the product activation failed error and get Office fully working again.